The Somali community was built on culture, moral ethics and more than most religion, but that was to be short-lived. In 1990 the civil war began, which till this day for themselves and their children's future.
There's many different ways you can see being affected, especially
what remained in the country was not only ruined homes, but people stranded with no choice but to seek aid from other societies. Hundreds of thousands of families immigrated to seek help for themselves and their children's future.
There's many different ways you can see being affected, especially education.
anigoo kale matalan haddaan iska soo qaato waxaan ahaa arday dhameeyay dugsiga sare diyaarna u ahaa inuu jaamacad galo waxbarashadiisana ilaa heer jaamacadeed ilaa heer sare uu ka gaaro.
There is no the mom, she don't have any most of the parents, especially the mom, she don't have educations.
We help them with the education, and also we help them a lot of other issues.
ay tacliintooda ku dadaalaan horumarkooda ku dadaalaan waxyaabaha soo dhan ayaa loo baahan yahay.
Some young people are working very hard. They're trying to achieve their target. Some of them they don't have a family here and they're still studying. They're still going to university. They're trying to gain their aim.
عدانك لقب سدن وحي مدوغا حشيشك عبان كراكي وحاس عبان قمبردي مارت هذا صومالي وبدل مدن افوي مارت اقعد مارت حلا صومالي وحنواي صومالي وحاس هندنا ملغا مقلو مدونا حملغا مقلو
ninka dhalinyarada wuxuu u dhimanayaa inuu qaad helo hatta u dhiman ma inuu lacag helo iyo inuu cunto helo.
A lot of children, when they come to this country, they don't know nothing about the law, they don't know nothing about their rights, they don't know nothing about what's right, what's wrong. That's why you see a lot of young Somalian in prison in this country. Compared to other communities who live here long time ago, who have more population in this country, you will never see the number in Somalian youth they are in prison.
وحنا because of TV مارتيو وحمدوغا يسوبران حويني فيرسان TV tomorrow كاسنا يسوبران had a lot of boys working they all bad نقدين شقة مراس.
There's still a lot of young people, a lot of young girls, a lot of boys who have a lot of problems. Most of the teachers, or let's say the community officers, they don't understand where these problems are, what causing all these problems for young people. And when we made a research, these problems came in from the background because they've been facing the problems for last 10 years. You know, there's a civil war back home, and they are facing so many problems like no parent support, financial problems, and a lot of problems.
dagaalka Soomaaliya dhibaatooyin waaweyn buu dadkeena iyo dhalinyaradeena u geystay. ragii dhamaa oo muxuu ahaa mutacalimiinta noqon lahaayo wadanka wax u qaban lahaayo dadkooda iyo naftooda wax u qaban lahaa intaba waxay hawshi u bedelmatay dhinacii kale xumaantii fisqigii dilkii dhaci kufsigii iyo waxyaalo kale ka sii waaweyn intaas. maalin waxaan ogaa nin la yiri maarata ninkaas lacag buu haystaa nin oo inta uu yiri lacag siiyay ku siin maayo markaas xabad uga dhuftay madax ninkii meesha ku dhigtay kii kalena waxa faa'iiday male. dhibaatooyinkaas sidii looga bixi lahaa waxa weeye in dhalinyaradii ay helaan dhaqan celin, inay helaan tacliin, inay helaan waxbarasho ku filan bay aniga ila muuqataa.
Have to help each other's small things. If we build a community like build a community and we give them chance to understand them.
marka waxaa fiican ubadka Soomaaliyeed waalidku inuu ubadkooda u sheego wacyigelin ku sameeyo uu sheego sidii ay wax u garan lahaayeen si ay society fiican u raaci lahaayeen si aan society xun u raacin.
And we need all the community to involve with the teachers to understand the problem there and give them more support.
When we consider the outcome of our misfortune, who should be blamed? The man who shot my brother? The man who burnt my neighbor's house? The man who destroyed my school? The man who blew up our economy system? The man who made my mother cry and put my sister into hospital? Who is that man? My father. The men of our country.